Our DIY backyard cabana construction continues, and look what we have accomplished on days 8, 9, and 10. On day 8, I finished the last and bottom portion of this focal wall of the cabana. On day 9, we installed more wooden horizontal studs and brackets for two purposes, for design and to strengthen the structures. And on day 10, I installed the planter box and planted my small succulent collections. Hi, this is Forlitz. Welcome to Forlitz Arts and Architecture, where I share my skills and knowledge in gardening, painting, and other DIY projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to help me grow my channel, click the like button, share this video with others, and leave a comment so we can connect. So here you go, guys. This is the finished product of this perfect imperfection wall. Now the focus is our tapestry. So I put a plant box here, and today I will plant these succulents. Please watch our next and future episodes until we reveal the finished project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos.